I just got back from Trader Joe's and they have this item I never saw before. It's microwave popcorn, but you pop the whole corn off the cob. Here's what it looks like on the back. So it's really interesting. We're going to open this up, and I'm not sure if this white thing is a bag that we place the cob inside, or do we just put the whole cob in the microwave? Let's check it out. Plastic rag, tightly fold the open end of popping sack 3 times. And then place it in the center of the microwave and cook on high for 90 seconds to prevent scorching. And it's going to be hot. And then we can go ahead and open it. Okay, so it's in there, and I'm going to close it up and fold it up 3 times, I guess. Okay. Oh! So I thought that we roll it up, but actually it's just, we got to fold the top down here 3 times.
I told her.
2. And 3. We place this side down and 90 seconds. Okay. It does get a few seconds to do this.
The cob is going to look like when it's all done popping.
There's nothing happening. Oh, we hear it. It's popping. We can hear it popping in there. You can see it. We hear it.
What if you just microwave a cob?
I don't know. We can give it a try, but it's there. I really hope that all the popcorn stays on the cob and you just pick it off. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah, but most likely not.
Yeah. Looks like the bag is opening in there. Here's what it looks like. Oh, look at that.
I got it.
So I'm just gonna dump this out on a on a plate and see what it's like.
I scared my mom.
You jump scared me.
Let's fix the cob.
Now let's go find out what the cob. What happened to the cob and if there's any corn still on it? There it goes. We're gonna find out what happened to the cob in there.
What if the cob just disappeared and turned into popcorn?
That'd be very interesting.
Oh, I hear it cutting out.
Oh, I see some of the corn still on the cob. We'll microwave it some more?
Yeah, after we empty out the popcorn.
Wow, look at that. Some of it has popped right on the cob. We're gonna put this cob back inside for a few more seconds so you can try to pop all of it. Back in for 30 more seconds. Okay. Some of those kernels are so stubborn, they still didn't pop, but it's okay. Okay, so we still have some some popcorn stuck there. And some of the kernels. The kernels are probably really hot.
Oh, it smells like something's burning.
That's because it's starting to burn a little bit. You can see how it's like a little
Okay, throw it away.
No, it's good. Let's eat this now.
My burn.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye. Bye. Here. Get some. Bye.